Homemade mask to get rid of blackheads fast. Are there blackheads on your face? Blackheads are tiny black spots and these affect the skin of almost all of you. Mainly these spots develop on your nose area. These blackheads disturb your even skin tone, and also, these look so ugly. The women mainly face this beauty issue, and thus, they remain worried because of it. For a cure, they visit beauty salons, and get such treatments that are costly. These methods remove blackheads, but these may also leave freckles on your skin. There are some natural ingredients having the best properties. Here, I am going to help you. In this video, I am going to share with you an amazing home remedy to remove blackheads. This remedy works fast, and it removes blackheads permanently and naturally within 15 minutes only. Home remedy to remove blackheads in 15 minutes. To make a pack at home to remove blackheads naturally and fast, the ingredients you will need for this home remedy are: ingredients: radish juice, 1 tablespoon. Barley flour, ½ teaspoon. Procedure: take a clean bowl, and in it, add 1 tablespoon of radish juice. After this, add ½ teaspoon of barley flour. Next, mix these two ingredients well, and make a mixture. The best DIY face mask to remove blackheads in just 15 minutes is ready for use now. How to use: apply this mask on your skin and leave it for 15 minutes. After this, wash it off with normal water. Use the remedy twice in a week to get rid of blackheads permanently. This home remedy to remove blackheads is the best, and also, it is 100% natural. It is chemical free, and thus, it is safe for all types of skin. The remedy works fast, and it does not cause any damage to your skin. So, if there are blackheads on your skin, and you want to get rid of them, this remedy will work the best for you. Follow this simple remedy and have a clear skin. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and videos. Stay tuned.